Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is interview question: what was your last salary and the first salary in your previous organization? Now, this is a very tricky question, ladies and gentlemen. Again, the HR is saying that what was your salary when you joined your previous organization, and when you left your previous organization at that time, what was your salary? Straight away, ladies and gentlemen, the HR wants to ask that how stable you are in a particular organization. The HR here wants to know your stability issue. Companies only prefer those employees who are stable in a particular company and who wish to spend a long time in a particular organization. Organizations don't like such people who are willing to work for 1 year or 2 years in a particular company, and after that they wish to leave that organization. If the employee is good and if the employee is hardworking and consistent, no organization wants to leave that employee. Organizations always want great employees, dedicated and hardworking employees to work for them forever. Now, when the HR says that what was your first salary when you joined the organization and what was your last drawn salary when you left your company, HR clearly wants to know that what was your growth rate in your previous organization. Suppose a person joins some organization as a fresher after graduating from any institution. Now, his initial level salary will be low. Everybody knows it. Freshers get low salary. But if they work consistently and if they work consciously towards the targets of their company, towards the goals and aspirations of their company, along with time, their salary also increases and their designation also increases. When a person spends a considerable period of time in a particular organization, his salary also increases and his designation also increases. Team leader, manager, branch manager, area manager, state head. Person keeps getting these different designations as he moves ahead in his organization. Understanding new things, understanding new plans, policies, understanding new work procedures, and then consistently getting required promotion and required increment in salary. This is how a person grows in a particular company, in a particular organization. So when the HR is asking this question that what was your first salary when you joined the company and what was your last salary when you left your previous organization, he straight away wants to know that what levels you have achieved in your last organization. Did you join your last organization on one particular designation for 1 year or 2 years and then you left that organization, or you stayed there for a longer period of time, you gave time to your previous company, you worked hard on yourself, you start getting consistent promotions and consistent increment in salary? Have you achieved that level in your previous organization or not? This is what the HR wants to know. That what was your stability in your previous organization? And believe me, ladies and gentlemen, companies only love those employees who have some kind of stability level in their mind. That yes, when I have joined a particular organization, I will work consistently in the directions of aims and aspirations of that company. I will thoroughly analyze that what type of projects are being assigned to me. I will work dedicatedly on those projects with complete commitment. And along with that, I will keep searching for growth opportunities in the same organization. I will prove it to my organization that I deserve a good kind of promotion and a good kind of increment in salary, and because of this, I will keep getting consistent increment in salary and consistent promotion in my designation. If a person thinks like this, if a person behaves like this in a particular organization with full dedication, full commitment, only then employers love such employee. Stability issue is the most crucial issue on which employers are concentrating nowadays. Nobody wants an employee to work for a company for 1 year, 2 years and then leave that organization. Ladies and gentlemen, organizations spend a huge amount of money in training their employees. Even if you are a fresher or even if you are experienced and joining a company for the first time, still they give you training related to the kind of task that is happening over there. And after gaining a proper kind of training, when you become trained, when you become knowledgeable, and after becoming knowledgeable, if you spend only 2 years or 1.5 years in that company and then you go for some other company, it is a huge loss to that company. They have trained you. And after getting training, you worked for that organization for 6 months or 8 months and 9 months, and then you left that organization in search for some better job with higher salary. It is a huge loss to those organizations. Ladies and gentlemen, that's why stability factor is the most crucial factor on which organizations strictly concentrate. If you are a stable professional, if you have spent a good time in a previous organization, and not only you have just spent a good time in a particular organization, along with that you also kept upgrading your designation, you also kept upgrading your position by learning new things, by becoming more innovative and creative. So that's why this question is very crucial, that what was your designation when you joined your organization, and by the time you left your organization, what was your designation at that time? So if you are having a good answer to this question, definitely the HR will get impressed and the HR is going to hire you. And there is only one chance in which you will have a good answer to this question. Only one chance, and that chance is you should have spent a good time in your previous organization, consistently evolving yourself and consistently gaining higher positions because of your hard work and dedication. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel ER Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.